We are in the kitchen with Fearne, and you've got some fantastic ideas for brunch at the weekend.
Yes. Well, actually, the first one, I'm going to do two recipes. The first one is a sweet omelette.
Right.
And it's actually so quick to make, you can have it all week long or at the weekends.
Sounds good.
So I'll kick off with this.
Sure.
First of all, you just need to mash a banana in a bowl. Very easy.
Right.
Sweet omelette sounds a bit strange, perhaps, and bizarre, but it's almost sort of like a pancake without having the wheat in it. So really delicious. Bit of cinnamon in there as well. And then a couple of eggs. 2 eggs is kind of a good omelette size for one person, I think. And then into that mixture, you also want to put a nice big handful of blueberries, which go all gooey and burst when you cook them. So they're super delicious. And then you just want to whisk that up so it's really nicely combined. And then in a pan, you can heat up either some coconut oil or some butter. Doesn't really matter which one you use. And just whack that in the pan and leave that to cook.